Let's go ahead and bring in 12 News political director Matt Smith.
And Matt, you're getting a county-by-county look at the race results, so bring us up to speed up to what's happening.
Let's look at exactly how this happened tonight. A 20-point spread with 85% of the votes in this evening. Chris Taylor with 60%. Yes, this is a nonpartisan race, but Democrats and liberals backed Chris Taylor, Republicans and conservatives backing Maria Lazar. As we take a look, this is what the statewide image is, but let's zoom in a little bit to show you how this happened in several key counties. Let's start with Dane County. This is Judge Taylor's home county with 84%. That's a sizable win, even outperforming what Susan Crawford did last year. Let's look at Waukesha County, a key stronghold for conservatives and Republicans, with 94% reporting Maria Lazar with 54%. To be honest, in this county, if you are a conservative or a Republican that's not named Donald Trump, you're going to need at least 60% in Waukesha County to help you offset what Democrats and liberals are doing in Dane and Milwaukee counties. Some other notables that we are tracking at this hour: 92% reporting in Ozaukee County, one of the wow counties for Republicans. Chris Taylor is currently winning Ozaukee County with 51% of the vote. That has tightened a bit from the last time we checked. There is 92% reporting. This would be huge for Democrats and liberals if she ends up winning Ozaukee County, but there is still 8% to come in that county. Jefferson County, this is a critical one as we look at exactly what is happening tonight across the state. Chris Taylor wins Jefferson County with 52% of the vote. There's 97% reporting Maria Lazar with 48%. President Trump won Jefferson County with 58% of the vote. There's some sizable flips going on in this county as we take a look at kind of the central part of southeast Wisconsin. Milwaukee County, another key stronghold for Democrats and liberals. Chris Taylor with 74%. Susan Crawford at 75% here. There's still 84% reporting. We're going to get to Central County in a second, so this may widen or tighten a bit. It's going to be interesting to see these numbers. Maria Lazar with 26. To be honest, that's a decent showing in Milwaukee County for conservatives. So we'll see how this ends with all of that. One other region I want to point out before we send it back is northeast Wisconsin. As we take a look at the map, in terms of the Green Bay region, Brown, Outagamie, Winnebago, Appleton, Oshkosh, Chris Taylor's winning all three of those counties. Maria Lazar would have needed to win those counties, and to be honest, win them by a sizable amount to be competitive. With 85% reporting, that's somewhat of a snapshot, guys, to give us a sense of why we have such a massive 20-point lead. There's still numbers to be coming in, but this is starting to shape up to be what it looks like the final results are going to be this evening.
And interesting numbers, too. We know this past weekend, the Marquette Law School poll, the latest was 50% of voters were undecided. Yeah. So it's interesting to see those numbers coming in tonight, Matt. Thank you.
Yeah, especially to see them coming as quickly as they did.